Hi, I'm Vanessa and I'm going to teach you how to make fudgy glazed brownies. Okay, so first for your brownies, you want to make sure that you have a few things. You need salt, unsweetened cocoa powder, 70% vegetable oil spread, a 6-ounce container of preferably low-fat vanilla yogurt, eggs, flour, sugar, 2 bowls, a stirring utensil, a whisk, and a 13x9 pan. Before you start, make sure you wash your hands. I would do that before any baking, not just these brownies. Use hot water so you get all the germs off. So now that we've washed our hands, we're just gonna preheat the oven real quick so when we're done mixing up the brownies, we can just slide them right into the oven. Okay, so you will need 1 cup of the cocoa powder, you'll need 1.5 cup of the flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of the salt. You're gonna just mix all of this into a bowl. It should look like this after you've mixed it. Okay, so for the next part of the brownies, you need 2 eggs and 4 egg whites. You need 3 cups of sugar and 2/3 cup of the 70% vegetable oil spread, and it needs to be melted, which I've already done. And then you need your container of vanilla yogurt. And you're just gonna whisk together the eggs and make sure you blend them real well. And once it's blended nicely, you're gonna add the sugar. Add it kind of slowly so it doesn't go all over the place. Just kind of start stirring it together. Then you're gonna add the butter. And stir it together. And then you're gonna blend in the yogurt. When it's nicely blended together, you're gonna then grab your flour mixture and add that in. So now that your batter's all mixed up, you're ready to pour it into the pan. Your batter should look consistent and not have too many chunks in it. You want to scrape it all out of the bowl, unless you're like me and you like to eat some of the batter. Make sure the top of the brownie in the pan is nice and smooth. If it's not, then just kind of go over it with a spatula. But usually it's smooth because it's a consistent batter. And then you're gonna just take it over to the oven and put it in and let it bake. So you're gonna put your brownie in the oven. And you're gonna set a timer for 25 to 28 minutes. I usually set it for like 26, and then I check it at that time. And then you just let it bake. Now that the 26 minutes is up, we're just gonna check the center with the toothpick. Be careful because in the oven it's really hot, so don't burn yourself. And it looks good, so we're gonna take the brownies out. Never take them out with just your bare hands because you will burn yourself. Once you've taken the brownies out, just set them on a rack and then make sure you turn the oven off because you don't want to start a fire in your house. So once the brownies have cooled, we can start the glaze. All you're going to need is confectioner's sugar, vanilla, cocoa powder, and then also hot water. Okay, so next all you're going to do is measure out all your ingredients. It's 1 1/3 cup of the confectioner's sugar, 1/4 cup of the cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of the vanilla, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water. You might have to put it in the microwave to make it hot if your faucet doesn't get hot enough. And all you're gonna do is just mix it all together. Make sure you get all the powder off the side of the bowl, and your spread should almost look like a paste. And it's going to look something like this. And you're ready to put it on top of your brownies. Now just let the glaze set, and then if you want, you can sprinkle some confectioner's sugar on the top before you serve it.